Arty Mouse is a mouse that loves to draw and create. Even a memory game is something special with this mouse. Children are not only strengthening their memory capacities, but it also encourages them to create and learn specific memory techniques. The game is designed so we can play it in an easier or more difficult way. It is intended for children from 3 years on. Let's see how it's played. In the game Spin and Find, we have to find the hero that the arrow points out between the cards. Mouse Arty allows us to help ourselves with unique labels that we draw on the cards. Children can draw whatever they want, and in this sense, their creativity really doesn't know any boundaries. So the children eventually learn the right mnemonics, which will later be incredibly useful for them at school. The game has a lot of extra cards in the more ambitious version, and the rules are adapted to older children who need additional challenges. So Spin and Find is really a game shaped by the children and never appears the same way twice.